I have been posting for months now, Decent, and I don't have 1000 subscribers. What can I do? Don't worry, this video is for you. Yeah, creating 1000 subscribers on a YouTube channel is easier than you think, but most people seems as if it's difficult. It's not difficult. Listen to this, watch till the end, and don't forget to watch another bonus video that I put in the description on how to create a YouTube channel. How can you have 1000 subscribers? Number one, create a YouTube channel. Yes, you have to create it. Now that you have one, make sure that you optimize it. A good name, make sure you put a thumbnail, proper thumbnail, and a good profile. Yes, a good profile. Tell the people about what you do. It's easy, so that people will know what exactly you do. Then number two, make sure that you have a community outside YouTube that you will be talking and interacting with, and these people can easily boost your YouTube. That could be your family, friends, and other people around you that can actually help. It can be workmates. Yeah, you can talk to them. Hi guys, can you help me share that YouTube link, share that YouTube channel. Guys, I'm doing this on YouTube. It's so exciting. Can't you guys come and join me? Yes, guys, that's how you have to do. Yes. And number three, stay consistent. Yes, you really have to be consistent about your posting. Make sure that you are posting on consistent basis, so that you give people enough about what you do. If you post today and then you post after 6 months, no guys, don't ever complain about it. You have to post consistently. Consistently doesn't mean you have to post every day. No, that's not it. Consistency means you are doing it on regular basis. It might be, if you just decide to post on Fridays, let it be Fridays at this particular point. So you have to study your audience and see at what time is my audience available online. Then number four, stop thinking about algorithm. Yes, a lot of people say algorithm. No, now start to think about your audience, about people, because the algorithm is determined by the people, the interests of the people. So think about, is this gonna excite my people? Are people going to like what I'm doing? Are people going to enjoy this video? Okay, what are the elements that make people think of watching your content? Yes. Now we talk about engaging thumbnails. Just your thumbnail draw somebody to say, whenever your video is posted in front of their eyeballs, say, yes, I'm going to click this because this topic, this thumbnail is so good. How about your video title? Is your title okay? Your description. So think about people. Stop thinking about algorithm. I always tell people like this, and yeah, people don't want to believe. But if you believe, you are going to see enormous change for your YouTube channel, because you guys, what I tell you is what actually works. Yes, because I've done that. I have been doing YouTube for quite some time right now, and I'll be giving you some tips that work, tips that you need, tips that is going to take your YouTube channel to another level. Yes, to another level. Number five, partner with some creators. Yes, partner with some creators. We've been doing it. This person is going to draw their audience onto my channel, as well as you are also going to draw yours to them. Yeah, let's say you are a channel that is, maybe you've got 200 subscribers. Just find somebody who is up there. Yes, up there, maybe 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, even 5,000. Those people, it's not hard to convince them. Hey, how are you, Joe? I have seen that you're creating exciting content that is in line with what I'm doing. Yes, maybe somebody is doing fashion and you're also doing fashion as well. Talk to those people and they're going to be understanding. And I've been just admiring your work. Please, can you come? Let's just join forces, or let me just have you. Let's talk about it. And then you create content, and then you guys don't forget to share whatever you are doing to other social media platforms. It's not just about YouTube. Yes, it's not just about YouTube. Tell people about your content on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on X, even on WhatsApp. Share that link. Guys, are you understanding? You will have a lot of subscribers in a short period of time. Guys, I have a lot to share with you, but this time I now direct you into this video that I have shown you how to create a YouTube channel. Go and see how you can do it the right way. Thank you.